Yes, sir.
जी
जी सर
श्रीकांत तो पहला कंग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द न्यू शो, न्यू बिगनिंग, न्यू सीजन। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि बीइंग अ होस्ट व्हाट आर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द कंटेस्टेंट्स, मतलब जो पिछले सीजन में इट वाज अ डॉन्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू, सो व्हाट्स योर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम?
सर बदतमीजी ना करो, बस यही है। बट यू नो दे इज नॉट इन द कंट्रोल, क्योंकि ये जो बाहर की जो टीम है जो कि कंट्रोल करती है उनको, इट्स लाइक they really torture them in the house. The most difficult format, I think this is like one of the most difficult formats that anyone can ever do. I mean, you need to have a lot of patience, you need to have a lot of willpower, sensibility, you need to know the game by heart. You know, it's like, it's a really difficult game. I mean, khane ko nahi, ek bathroom, you know, so much gossip going on, and then you become friends, and then the team outside makes them fight. All the tasks go on for 48 hours without food, without rest. They don't know whether it's day, night, they're coming, they're going, nothing. It's like very, very difficult.
Hi, खान साहब, आलोक सर, सवाल है कि इतने सारे फॉर्मेट हर साल बदलते हैं, कभी कॉमन लोग आते हैं, कभी कोई पर्टिकुलर नियम है जो आप बदलना चाहेंगे? आपको लगता है कि ये नियम भी इस हाउस में होना चाहिए?
मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ लगती है कि जो फर्स्ट वीक का जो इविक्शन होता है वो थोड़ा सा अनफेयर होता है, क्योंकि जब तक यू गाइज गेट टू नो पीपल एंड पीपल इन द हाउस गेट टू नो ईच अदर एंड देयर ट्रू कलर्स कम आउट, टिल दैट टाइम which is people just adjusting inside, and first week the person is out, so that I think one should think about. Will you?
And फिल्मों के प्रमोशंस भी होते हैं खान साहब, तो
जी हाँ,
बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे जी। किसका आपको इंतजार?
अभी आई थिंक अभी मुझे तो इंतजार है जुड़वा 2 का, एंड आई थिंक दे विल बी विद अस सून, Jackie and Taapsee and Varun, so we're going to have lots of fun.
Salman sir, straight over here. Salman sir, you mentioned about film stars coming for promotions.
Yeah.
You have your own film also releasing in December, that is Tigers in Time. Will that be promoted on the show?
Starting right now. Right now.
Deepak sir, hello. जैसे लास्ट ईयर जो स्पॉन्सर था, जो इंडिया वाले आए थे, तो कई बार जो जिसका जिक्र किया कि बदतमीजियाँ या ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिसमें आपको एलिमिनेट भी करना पड़ा, निकालना पड़ा। इस बार कुछ आप लोगों ने कुछ नियम रखे, कुछ चीज़ें क्या ब्रीफ करी हैं, कुछ गाइडलाइंस या समथिंग?
नियम हर साल रहते हैं, ये साल भी नियम है। सो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बाइबल एंड अ रूल बुक दैट वी फॉलो। तो कुछ भी वायलेंस या कुछ भी आउट ऑफ लाइन, आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर, अनपार्लियामेंट्री अगर घर में होता है तो वी टेक स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ reprimanding them in the house or really evicting them. So I mean, and we make no bones about really evicting the person from the house. So we've been very, very stringent about such things.
Yeah, we don't want too much of gandagi. That is not cool at all. I mean, because you know it's coming on television, and what's the time this year? 10. And people watch it, you know, kids watch it, you know, senior people watch it. तो छोटे मोटे झगड़े वगड़े ठीक है, लेकिन कभी कभी you know they go overboard, and that is something which I don't think any of us like. I don't think even you like it. So, and you know what, people want to come in, they want to revive their careers, you know, they want to be noticed, they want to be celebrities, वगैरह वगैरह, and it's not good for them as well. No one wants to, you know, work with somebody who's unpleasant, who's not unprofessional, who's got a foul tongue, foul temper. So.
Salman sir, how involved are you in setting the format of the show? Every year there is a new format, so how involved are you in that?
I'm not involved in that at all. I'm just involved in sorting out the people in the house and making sure that their TRP ratings fall down.
Salman sir,
yes ma'am.
And अभी आपने दीपक सर से एक सवाल पूछा था, मैं वो सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, इनमें से किसको आप हेलमेट बंद करना चाहते हैं? बंद कर दो। आप सवाल पूछ लिया आपने? कौन सा? देखिए मेरे सवाल
Oppo surviving really well. You don't think he can survive in the house? We are surviving with Oppo and Fizz and CP Plus.
तो बस एक ही इंसान और कोई नहीं।
को क्या किसी चीज की जरूरत है?
हाय सलमान,
There's a buzz about that you charging 11 crore per episode for this season. What do you have to say about that? That's a huge amount.
Dindo sir. Dindo sir.
My question is to Nadia.
अरे बोलो ना, बोलो ना.
Any comments on this?
अरे बोलो ना. ये तो भाई.
Salman Khan doesn't come so cheap.
Oh! So that's true.
Nadia.
बाहर का भी काम बंद करा दो यार मेरा.
Hi Will, here on your left. On your left. Hi. Roshni here from Best Media Info. There are so many reality shows on television right now. Why do you keep coming back to Big Boss? I mean, this is
Because
not
I
the
like
first
the format. I like the format. I like the connect. I really like it. Even though I complain about it on some Fridays or Saturdays, now Saturday, Sunday, but I enjoy it. I get to learn a lot. No, seriously, I really get to learn a lot. I get to learn how to react sometimes, how not to react sometimes. I've started learning how to read.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
कॉन्सेप्ट का इजाद कैसे हुआ था?
वो तो हमारी क्रिएटिव टीम बैठती है और they keep ideating among themselves and they shortlist a few themes and बस this sounded very interesting and creatively I think they'll be able to execute it well. तो बोला कि ठीक है. क्रिएटिव टीम फुल इन्वॉल्व होती है इसमें.
बेसिकली हम लोग नाम चेंज कर देते हैं. कभी कॉमनर्स, कभी.
I have a question for Nadia here at the back, right at the back, yes.
सलमान सर आपके लिए एक सवाल था.
Okay. So there are so many shows with high ratings across channels. Why do you choose Big Boss every year?
Because I like it.
I do like it. And also about the rebranding that you've done this year. How does it help?
First about the show, I think that the format of the show itself is quite unique. There are many shows, but this one is quite special, and like Salman said, because I like it. But the rebranding, Happy Fizz has been a leader in the category. It's a category that we created of sparkling fruit drinks in India. We hold 95% plus market share in this category. We really wanted to be able to grow this brand to another level, taking the category up to about 4,000 crores over the next few years. So the rebranding really helped us create a much larger impact in the market with a very strong presence on the shelves.
Ratsa, this question is for you. Ratsa, here. Yeah. You've been.
सवाल पूछिए, don't you?
Big Boss has been running for last 11 years. What's been your strategy to keep it relevant for last 11 years? What's been season on season? What is?
बस सिंपल सा स्ट्रेटजी है. सलमान खान को साइन कर दो ये रोलिए.
Hi Salman, this is Sana from Indian Express here. You mentioned that you have the best neighbors in your parents, but have you ever faced some snoopy neighbors that you kind of irritated them, or a funny incident that you can share? And how are you as a neighbor to other people?
No, my windows are open all the time, and my next door neighbor is Vaida auntie, and I don't think she's snooping around.
And what about you? Do you snoop around?
No. I used to do that when I was a kid, but now I.
And there's another question, since you, Shah Rukh and Akshay are the blockbusters in Bollywood now, you three will be there on TV, so it's kind of a new era that's rising. What do you have to say on Akshay and Shah Rukh joining you?
I think they're amazing. I think Shah Rukh is a great host. Aki is also really good. I mean, he's got this really good comic timing, and he's very witty. And Shah Rukh's got his own personality, he's got his own swag, his own style, he's got his own charisma. So I think it's going to be quite a tough competition this time.
What is that one thing that has kept you?
For them.
What is that one thing that has kept you hooked to Big Boss over the years?
What?
That one thing that has kept you hooked to Big Boss for so many seasons?
It's that love and hate relationship, I think, that keeps me hooked on to Big Boss. Sometimes I really love the show, and then sometimes I'm not very fond of it, but it keeps pulling me back. And I don't think there is right now, there is a better show than Bigg Boss on Indian television. And I think that everyone watches it and they love it. I mean, I get so many calls कि कौन जा रहा है घर के अंदर. So it creates a huge buzz when it's like just starts, and then every week who's going to get, you know, evicted and have.
So this is me, Akshay from Red FM. So.
Yeah.
No, you can't keep on asking. Let somebody else. Sir, this is me, Akshay from Red FM. Sir, I just wanted to ask you.
My favorite season, you said. 5-5.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you, season में क्या different है जो पहले seasons में था?
Contestants अलग हो गए.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you already, you have many तकिया कलम्स आपकी काफी रह चुके हैं, जैसे पहले सीजन में था. अभी आपने लेटेस्ट जो ऐड किया है वो ये है कि do whatever you want to do but don't trouble your mother. इस बार आपका क्या रहता है?
अब देखेंगे फर्स्ट डे जब शूट करेंगे तो क्या आता है. नया गर्मा गर्म बनाएंगे उस वक्त.
Hi Will, my question is for you. So what similarities do you see between Oppo users and the viewers of Bigg Boss? So why do you keep coming back to Bigg Boss every season?
I think the most important for this property, for this show, is they are not one of a kind. It's very unique format reality show. Even nowadays in India, there's no other shows that you can see like Bigg Boss. And there's no other places you can see Salman Khan, right? And the second one is, I think most important one is the innovation. Because just like Oppo's selfie expert, we also keep innovating our technology on the selfie cameras. And every season by seasons, I think Bigg Boss always give you some surprising and which you have never seen before in this show. I think this is the most two factors that we believe that this association is a successful partnership.
Salman sir, straight word.
Yeah, very good looking, huh?
Thank you. Salman sir, my question is, the best. I've lost weight this time.
Ripped. Oh, you were saying?
Yeah, I'm saying that the best part about this show is that you are always yourself. When you are having fun, when you're dancing, when you're cheering the contestants, or even the times when you reprimand the contestants. But there are times when things go out of control and you also get angry and you say that you will never return to Bigg Boss. Does these controversies affect you personally ever?
What do you think? What do you think?
I don't think so, but still, at times maybe we get very annoyed when we see you annoyed on screen.
Then you should stop writing all that stuff about.
Salman, if you get a chance to Mara Bajao one of your closest Bollywood neighbors, who it would be?
Wait, Mike Cheney? ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं. ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं.
The last question of the evening from Spotlight.
Salman, I just wanted to know, पड़ोसियों का जो सबसे बेस्ट काम होता है वो होता है लोगों की कंप्लेंट करना. सलमान की कितनी कंप्लेंट्स घर में आती हैं अभी भी? आपके फैंस आपके गेट के बाहर इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ लगा के खड़े होते हैं.
वो काफ़ी कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं और हमारे जो नेबर्स हैं उससे काफ़ी डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं बिल्डिंग वाले. So we try and tell the fans not to much outside the building, and so now the security whatever there, so we just keep them slightly at a distance so that the cars coming in, cars going out, the neighbors don't get affected.